Hello and nice to meet you. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can protect your forms in Framer from spam in 60 seconds. Let's go. What we do first, we just need the component. I created here one and we can just put it inside the form like this, and I set it here. It's already fixed. We can set it on fill. And what we need to do, I did this already. You can choose here what kind of mode you like. For example, you can use light mode or dark mode or auto. This is automatically detecting the device settings. And here, in the next step, we have to set a site key and a worker URL. You will find this inside your Cloudflare dashboard. And yeah, the only thing is you can't test this in the preview mode. You have to publish the site. So we are doing this, and now we can set here something. We just check it, and now I can submit it. And we reload it, and now you see I can't submit. It's not possible to submit the form. This is a good way to protect your Framer forms from spam, and hopefully I could help you with this video. If you want to know how this works with the Cloudflare worker and stuff like this, I built a premium bundle where you can get a guide on how to create something like this. And yeah, if I could help you with this video, it would be really nice if you like this video. And if you want to see more to the topic of Framer, just subscribe to my channel and have a beautiful day. See you in the next video.